Today our topic is word problems. How we are going to solve the word problems related to addition. Suppose there is a question. In a playground, there are 344 men and 298 women. Find the total number of people in the playground. Now we have to follow some steps to solve this problem. Step number 1 is read the problem carefully to understand what is to be found. As I have read it, so we understand that here we need to find the total number of people in the playground. Step number 2 is identify the key facts. What are the key facts here? The key fact is the number of men and the number of women are given in this question. So we write down the number of men is equal to 344 and the number of women is equal to 298. This is our key fact. Step number 3 is plan how you are going to solve it. So to find the total number of people, we need to add the number of men and women. Now you get the number of men is equal to 344, number of women is equal to 298. So just add them. Three 344 plus 298. 8 plus 4 gives us 12, carry 1 here. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 642. So total number of people is equal to 642. This is our step number 3. we solved this. Now step number 4 is recheck the answer. As the answer 642 is greater than both the numbers 344 and 292. 642 is greater than both the numbers, so it seems correct. So our answer is, so there are 642 people in the playground. (642) people in the playground. Next question is, in a car rally, there are 602 cars of new models and 102 vintage cars. Find the total number of cars. What we have to do here we have to find the total number of cars. So the number of number of new model cars is equal to 682. These are the key facts. Number of new models cars is equal to 682 cars, and the number of vintage cars is equal to 102. Now, to find the total number of cards, we need to add the number of new model cards and vintage cards. So, add them. 682, these are the number of new model cards, and 102, these are the number of vintage cards. On adding, 2 plus 2 gives us 4, 8 plus 0 gives us 8, 6 plus 1 7, 784. So you can say the total number of cards, is equal to 784. On adding 682 and 102, we get 784. As the answer 784 is greater than both the numbers 682 and 102, it seems correct. So there are 784 cards. So our answer is there are 784 cards. Next question is, there are 530 toffees in one box and 492 in another. Find the total number of toffees. So what you have to find here, we need to find the total number of toffees. What we have given, the number of toffees in one box and the number of toffees in another box. So, number of toffees in one box is equal to 530 and the number of toffees in another is equal to 492. Number of toffees in another is equal to 492. Now to find the total number of toffees, we need to add the number of toffees in both the boxes. So just add them, HTO, their place values 530, 490. On addition, we will get 0 plus 0 gives us 0, 3 plus 9, 12, 1 carried over, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1020. So on adding 530 and 490, we get 1020. As the answer 1020 is greater than 530 and 490, so it seems correct. So our answer is, so there are 1020 toffees.